Hello everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a new kit of the month to share with you. This is our December kit, a tall tag album altered in papers from the Garden Goddess collection by Graphic 45. Beautiful, beautiful collection. Lots of pastel greens, creams, yellows and pinks. And of course, all of the flowers and beautiful background papers, as we always get from Graphic 45. So the album is a tall tag album, lots of room to put your memories in, and it's magnetic closure for the cover, nice ribbon bow on the top, and then it opens up and folds forwards. But there are two options with this album. You can either make it as a vertical album, or if you cut the papers sideways, you can make it as a horizontal album and change the way that your pictures go onto the pages. So let me take you through what's in it. The front cover folds forwards and there is a large tag in there sitting over that gorgeous paper. I love the sunflowers and the little flower fairy there, or flower goddess, or garden goddess. And then we've got a little pocket at the bottom here that the tag sits in. And then each of the pages has a magnetic closure. So they lift up and fold forward. So lots of room for you to put whatever you want to add to your pages. So that's the top section. And then if I move it forward, you can see the bottom. So two really lovely areas for you to put pictures on or other bits and pieces that you want to keep. And then this little page has got a pocket on the front as well and a smaller tag. And each page has a magnetic closure so that you can keep it shut. And then at the back there is a pocket for a tall tag as well. And again, lots of room on the back of the tag for pictures and other bits and pieces in the pocket too. So there are 5 pages in the album and they all sort of flow in the same way. I like to do that in my albums, and if you follow me you'll know that. The back of page 1 has got a nice pocket, top-loading pocket for a nice photo mat, and also room underneath for more elements that you might want to add. And then page number 2 is slightly different. There is a tag that holds the page closed and the front folds down. It lifts up. There's a photo mat inside there that pops into that bottom pocket and it closes with the magnetic closure. The little tag goes in and then there is a tall tag in the back of the pocket on the page as well with those beautiful papers. I just love lovely designs in this collection. And as always with Graphic 45, the papers really flow beautifully. And then flipping over, let's move the pad out of the way. Again, the back of the pages are all the same. They've all got that top-loading pocket with a band and a photo mat. And again, beautiful papers. Can you spot the deliberate error? I stuck that one on upside down. And that little photo mat slides under the pocket there. And then we're back to page format 1, pocket on the front, flip up, the whole thing opens out like that, tag in the front, and then the large tag up the back. And that is all in the yellows with a beautiful garden goddess there. And some of the cut aparts I've used for the little tags. They're just the perfect size. And then folding over, we've got another top-loading pocket with the gorgeous clocks and the garden goddesses and irises and the little daisies. And then I love this iris paper. And then moving up onto the next page, we've got a nice little band here. The tag holds the page closed. If you take the tag out, the album folds down and you've got your photo mat in the pocket. And again, room to place whatever you want to there. I love the stripes. And just the yellows, even though the different papers have got different detail on them, they still work really beautifully together. It closes with a magnet and then the large tag pulls out at the top. in the sunflower paper. Let's pop that one back in. And then flipping forwards, this page section is all pink. So we've got the top loading pocket with the Garden Goddess cut apart and the beautiful pink floral paper. I thought the green stripey went with that really well. And then following on with the colours, we've got the lovely cut apart here with happiness blossoms where seeds and kindness have been, thoughtfully planted. Really lovely sentiment. Nice little tag in the pocket and a page that folds open with a magnetic closure. And the large tag in the top again. And then that one flips over to get to the last of the pages in the book. So slightly different pink detailed paper with borders and the lovely white daisies and the pink roses. I think they're dog roses. A green tag or photo mat pops into the top loading pocket, and then right at the back there is another large tag in the pocket. And then we've got a little bit of detail on the inside of the lid, and the whole album closes with a magnetic click. So that is it. That is our tall tag album. As I say, you could decorate it so that it's sideways if you wanted to. The kit includes everything that you need to make the project, excluding red tape and tools. For more information on our kit of the month and subscriptions and how to pre-order your kit, just follow the link below. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up and of course subscribe to my channel to be kept up to date with new projects as they come out. Thanks for watching.